Hello students, I am Dr. Ashalata Shankar Teda from English Department, JSS College of Kokok. I am here to give you the detailed syllabus for BA 5th year optional English students. We have two papers this time. We have English paper 1, then we have paper 2. So this has been the portion allotted to us by Rani Channamma University, Belgavi. And this paper has been addressed as paper 1 titled Literary Criticism. So students, you have to notice that paper 1 means literary criticism. We have the following topics to study. Topic 1, criticism. So in criticism, you will be studying the nature, functions and types. Then the second topic is Aristotle and Plato, the mimesis. We have the interesting topic, that is, what is poetry? We'll have the meaning, definition, functions and types of the poetry over there. Then we have the fourth, Longinus Sublime. Then we have the more interesting topic, that is classicism, romanticism and realism. You'll be studying meaning, definitions, the theories, comparison of all this classicism, romanticism and also realism. Then we have the sixth topic, Matthew Arnold's criticism and creation and touchstone method. The seventh topic is R.A. Richards' principles of criticism. So this is a particular theory. It's a more interesting theory you are going to study. Then we have Alan Tutte, the new criticism. Then the ninth, William Emerson's ambiguity. Then the 10th, by T.S. Eliot, tradition and individual talent. We have the suggested reading here by Abraham Sammet, The Mirror and the Lamp. Then the Barnett Andrews, Nicholas Boyle's Introduction to Literature, Criticism and Theory. This has been the list provided to you. I hope the students are noticing this. Then we will be moving to the paper 2. The first thing that you have to notice here, that for paper 1 there will be 20 marks internal, and for paper 2 again you will have a different paper, 20 marks internal. So these are the two different papers. You will be writing exams for two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. And this paper 2 will contain these different types of the subjects. This paper 2 has been addressed as Indian English Literature, then translation studies, and here we have one representative text. So in section A, we have history of Indian English literature. You should be proud to read, being an Indian, that how many of the people have written in English. Here we are studying the different periods, pre-independence and the post-independence. So the first topic here in the history of Indian English literature, you are studying pre-independence Indian English poetry. That's the first topic. Then you are studying the fiction during the Gandhian era. Fiction means the other name for novel. Novel is again the fiction. So you will be studying about, it's one part of a prose, fiction during the Gandhian era, means Gandhian period. The third topic will be post-independence Indian English poetry. Very interesting. Then you have the post-independence Indian English fiction again. So you will be studying all these 4 topics from the history of Indian English literature. It carries 30 marks. Then you have B section. Here you have to answer regarding the selected poems. It carries 30 marks here again. For section B, you are studying Summer Woods by Sarojini Naidu, Indian writers. These are Workers' God, Kunj Bihari Das, Akhandre, Jayant Mahapatra, The Lotus, Toru Datta, very interesting lady writer. Very Indian poem in Indian English by Nizam Ezekiel. Then My Grandmother's House by Kamala Das. Very different writer who is very straightforward. You are going to appreciate her. An Old Woman by Arun Kolatkar. Then Cops and the Robbers by S. Devaka. You're the Mistress, Ken Daruwala. Then Made Myself an Expert, B. Parthasathi. So this is about the B section. We have the section C, termed as Translation Studies. It carries 20 marks. So the first, concept of translation. Evolution of translation studies. Types of translation. Translation of literary pages from Kannada to English and vice versa. We have suggested reading. We have an interesting book by M.K. Nayak, History of Indian English Literature. Then we have, of course, K.R. Srinivasa Iyengar's writing, History of Indian Writing in English Literature. Then Indian English Literature. So, for paper 1, you will be having 80 plus 20. The marks have been prescribed there, as I just showed you for the first paper also. Again, for the second paper, you will be having 80 plus 20. 20 marks internals, 80 marks theory paper. So this has been the prescribed syllabus for you. Hope all of you have noticed it. So in the next class, we will be moving towards a very interesting topic, classicism, romanticism, realism, and some other interesting topics from paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, thank you.